here we are given the graph of f prime. This is f prime. We want to create one possible graph of f. Now, how do we do that? Here's my suggestion. First of all, identify where the function is increasing or decreasing, right? So f prime is greater than 0, you know the function is increasing. F prime less than 0, then function is decreasing. By the way, we also want to know f double prime greater than 0, this concaves up. F double prime less than 0, concave down. So with that, I'm going to first identify the interval the function is increasing and decreasing. Because from here to here, the f prime is less than 0, which is negative. That means from in this interval all the way up to point C, the function is decreasing because of that fact. Therefore, I'm gonna say from this point on, so I'm gonna here, this will be decreasing, function will be increasing after this point, right? And second, let's look at the second derivative. F prime greater than 0, f double prime greater than 0, that means f prime is increasing because this f double prime means the prime of f prime. In other words, in this interval from here to here, you do see that f prime is increasing. Therefore, your graph is concave up in this interval. From A to B, f prime is decreasing. Again, I do hope that you understand that when we say f prime is decreasing, that means its derivative. The derivative of this guy is less than 0, right? So which means f double prime, which is the derivative of the f prime, is less than 0. So therefore, we do know from this point to this point, the graph of f should be concave down because f double prime is less than 0. From this point on, the graph is increasing all the time. The graph of f prime is increasing all the time. That means f double prime is greater than 0. So therefore, this interval concave up. So with that, let's revise the graph. This concave here, this concave up. So therefore, I'm gonna make sure that it concaves up, right? So let's do that. Okay. This means concave up. Okay, now I can erase this now. Oops, cannot erase that. But anyway, the trend looks like concave up. And then here, this is concave down. Therefore, you want to make your graph look like down, concaving down. Here, concave up. So this is the graph of a possible graph of f. Make sure here all the way decreasing to this point. This concave up and then down and then up and then increasing from this point on, concave up.